so hard to follow the map. Okay ka ba dyan, boss? Ayun pa yung trail, oh. Let's see. You wanna go through this water or detour?
You can get around.
We can get around, right?
You just go to the sidewalk.
Yeah.
You can just go down there.
Go over there?
You'll end up down there. See where
Okay.
the parking lot is there?
Alright.
You just go to the sidewalk.
Okay. And it will take us to that bridge over there?
It'll take you right down to there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we will go up the bridge or?
You can, yeah.
Oh, we can? Okay. We came from, I think, from that side.
Okay, yeah. You
Yeah.
can just go on
And then we can make a loop back.
the road.
Alright.
And then you'll see that place.
Yeah.
Get right off the bridge there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, we have to go around. Detour. I think we have to dismount here, no? Wait. We go straight. That way. Yeah, go straight.